Hello students, welcome back to Maths Educator. Today we are going to learn 12th standard biology and we will continue with our chapter number 12, that is biotechnology and its application. In this chapter we already completed about our biotechnological application in agriculture, and right now we are talking about the biotechnological application in medicines. Then after we will continue with transgenic animals and their ethical issues. Now, for today's lecture, we are going to learn about the gene therapy. And before this, we already completed about a medicinal implementation of a biotechnology in production of genetically modified insulin. We already completed that topic. Okay. Now today we are going to learn about the gene therapy, that is another medicinal application of a biotechnology. So first, if a person is born with a hereditary disease, कि जो इनहेरिटेंस में है, ऐसा डिजीज बहुत सारे हैं कि जो इनहेरिटेंस में है, so can we corrective that therapy to be taken for such disease? Can we have such type of the therapies? And the answer is yes, that is the gene therapy. So this gene therapy is an attempt to do this. It is a collection of a method that allows a correction of gene defect that has been diagnosed in a child or an embryo, because such type of the diseases is inherited. Okay, so we already know that such disease are carried forward to their new young ones. So if we diagnosed that such disease in the child and in an early embryonic stage, so this method is applied in a person with a hereditary disease. And in this method, genes are inserted into a person's cell and or a tissue that treat a disease. The correction of gene defects involve delivering a normal gene into the individuals or an embryo to take over the function or compensate for a non-functional gene. As you see in this figure, this cell that having a defective gene. Okay, so what we have to do in a gene therapy? To introduce this healthy gene instead or in a place of a defective gene. या तो दोनों एक साथ रह सकते हैं या तो फिर हम उसको रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. That creates a cell function. That cell function we restored their cell function. Okay, so this gene therapy is actually worked by introduced any healthy gene in place of that defective genes. This gene therapy is the introduction of gene into the existing cells that prevent or cure a wide range of diseases, in which the first clinical gene therapy was given in a 1990 to a 4-year-old girl that is diagnosed with adenosine deaminase deficiency, known as the ADA deficiency. This enzyme that is crucial for a immune system to functions. In some children, ADA deficiency can be cured by bone marrow transplantation, and in others it can be treated by enzyme replacement therapy, but in which a functional ADA is given to a patient by injection. But the problem with both of these approaches is that they are not completely curative. यहाँ पे हम उसको completely cure नहीं कर सकते. ओके, ये चीजें हमें बारी बारी से उसको देनी पड़ती है. So as a first step towards the gene therapy, this lymphocyte from the blood of the patients are grown in a culture outside the body. Okay, what we have to do, genetically disabled जो retrovirus है उसके थ्रू ये जो ADA जीन्स जो हमने आइसोलेट किए हैं फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर पेशेंट्स, हम उसको फंक्शनली ADA के साथ रिकम्बाइन कर सकते हैं एंड ग्रोन दैट कल्चर, दैट lymphocyte outside the body, means inside the lab, that which are subsequently returned to the patient. Okay. In a gene therapy methods, the lymphocyte from the blood of the patients are grown culture in a media first. The second thing, this functional ADA or using the cyclic DNA is then introduced again into the patient. And in this method, periodic infusion of such genetically engineered lymphocyte is needed. Just that genetically engineered lymphocyte we have to need. If the gene isolated from the bone marrow cell producing ADA is introduced into the cell at an early embryonic stage, it could be a permanent cure. अगर हम इसके जगह पे अगर उसको permanently अगर हमें जब cure करना है, so what we have to do? First isolate that bone marrow cell that produce the ADA and introduce them into the early embryonic stage of that particular child. So because of that things we could eliminate this disease, or even we can say that we permanently cure that disease in a अर्ली स्टेज. बट उसके लिए जो रिसर्च है वो अभी तक बाकी है. तो अब तक इस जीन थेरापी में क्या हो रहा है, पर्टिकुलरली इन दिस डिजीज ADA, उसमें क्या हो रहा है कि लिम्फोसाइट को वी हैव टू आइसोलेट दैट लिम्फोसाइट एंड क्योर दैट लिम्फोसाइट and again introduce that genetically engineered lymphocyte into the patient. But this thing we have to do repeatedly, मतलब particular periods के बाद हमें ये करनी पड़ती है. So this one is about the gene therapy. Now another medicinal application or biotechnological application in a medicine, that is about the molecular diagnostic. You know that for effective treatment of a disease, early diagnosis and understanding its pathology or pathophysiology is very important. Using the conventional method of diagnosis such as a serum or a urine analysis, that is not enough or not able to give a early detection of the disease, because this recombinant DNA technology, that include a recombinant DNA technology, polymerase chain reaction, and enzyme linked immunosorbent are some of the techniques that serve the purpose of early diagnostic. Okay, so over here, 3 recombinant DNA technology, polymerase chain reaction, and along with that enzyme linked immunosorbent. These are the main techniques or a molecular diagnostic techniques that will give a early detection of any disease. Okay, along with these 3 there are other immunological technique is there, molecular diagnostic technique is there, जो अर्ली डिटेक्शन दे सकता है, जो किसी भी डिजीज का अर्ली डिटेक्शन दे सकता है. द प्रेजेंस ऑफ पैथोजेंस in like a bacteria, viruses is normally suspected only when the pathogen has produced a disease symptoms. But by this time, the concentration of that pathogen is already very high in a body. So, however, if we found a very low concentration of a bacteria or a viruses, that can be detected by a PCR method. Okay, the symptoms of the disease appear when the concentration of pathogen they get increased significantly. तभी हमें उसका symptoms दिखने को मिलते हैं. But when we identified that disease in a early stage in the sense कि जब उसके concentration low हो. So in a low concentration of the bacteria and the viruses, if we detected that bacterial nucleotide or their viral nucleotide by using an amplification of nucleic acid by PCR. What is the PCR? It's a polymerase chain reaction. We already learned about this PCR in our chapter number 11. So it detects the mutation in the gene or even a cancer patients. PCR is routinely used to detect the HIV in a suspected AIDS पेशेंट कि अगर हमें सस्पेक्टेड है कि उसमें HIV मतलब एड्स हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है, सो वी कैन अर्ली डायग्नोज Before that, showing the character, we early diagnosed that HIV in a that suspected patients. Genetical disorder की अगर हम बात करें, so we could also identify that genetic disorder that can be detected by using a PCR technique. But because in this PCR technique, we actually amplify the genetic material of such type of the bacteria और gene जो defective है और even a viruses. तो उसका अगर अर्ली डायग्नोस्टिक हो जाता है तो वी कैन इजीली इनफ वी गेट इनफ टाइम टू क्योर सच डिजीज. Now, second one, that is about a autoradiography. So, if a single-stranded DNA or RNA that are tagged with a radioactive molecules, what is the radioactive molecules? It's a one type of the probe that is allowed to hybridize to its complementary DNA in a clone of cell that followed by a detection using autoradiography. Okay, as you shown in this figure, the sample उसमें जो we have to isolate their RNA, we have to extracted their RNA using a electrophoresis. We separated that RNA by a size and परफॉर्म अ नॉर्दर्न ब्लॉटिंग. मतलब कि जो आरएनए हमने आइसोलेट किया है इन दिस इलेक्ट्रोफोरेसिस जेल वी ट्रांसफर एंड फिक्स्ड देम इन अ विथ अ यूवी. ओके, जो यूवी जो लेबल्ड प्रोब है विथ द हेल्प ऑफ यूवी लाइट और अ हीट वी लेबल्ड देम विथ अ स्पेसिफिक प्रोब. स्पेसिफिक प्रोब कौन से है? जो हमें जो पर्टिकुलर जो डिजीज है उसके अगेंस्ट में हमें जिसकी जानकारी चाहिए, ठीक है, उसको डिटेक्शन अगर हमें करवाना है तो अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर वी हैव टू सिंथेसाइज सच प्रोब. ओके, और उस प्रोब को हम बाय यूजिंग अ यूवी हम उसको लेबल कर सकते हैं. ये जो प्रोब है उसके ऊपर रेडियो एक्टिव लेबल किया गया है जिससे थ्रू हम उसको विजुअलाइज कर सकते हैं यूजिंग अ एक्सरे फिल्म. So, because of such technique is this type of such technique is known as a autoradiography. The clone having a mutated gene with will not appear on a photographic film. और जो mutated है वो हमें इस photographic field में हमें वो दिख जाएगा. So this is also about the detection by using the antigen that may be either protein or a glycoprotein or by detecting the antibodies that synthesized against the pathogens. And now we talk regarding our third type, that is the ELISA. ELISA is based on antigen antibody interaction. That infection by any pathogen can be detected by the presence of antigen like a protein and a glycoprotein. Okay, as you seen in this figure there are two type of the ELISA. One is the direct ELISA कि जिसमें क्या है एंटीजन एंड एंटीबॉडी वो एक दूसरे के स्पेसिफिक उनका जो बॉन्डिंग होता है उसके थ्रू हम उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. और इन इनडायरेक्ट ELISA वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट एंटीबॉडी और उसके ऊपर हम ये जो लेबल्ड एंटीबॉडीज है उसको कंबाइन करते हैं. तो उसकी वजह से दैट विल गिव सम रिएक्शंस दैट शो अ कलर चेंजेस और उसके वजह से हम अर्ली डायग्नोज कर सकते हैं दैट मे बी आइदर देयर इज अ प्रेजेंस ऑफ एनी एंटीजन और नॉट. ओके, इसके अलावा अगर हम एंटीबॉडी अगर डिटेक्शन तो भी वो हो जाएगा. अगर इफ वी वांट टू फाइंड अ एंटीबॉडी इन अवर ब्लड, इफ एंटीजन इज देयर so antibody भी produce होगा but in a lower concentration. If we've identified that antibody then also they are suspected as a particular disease that also occur with the help of ELISA test. Okay, so over here the infection by the pathogen that can be detected by the presence of antigens or detecting by the presence of antibodies that are synthesized against their pathogen. Okay, so student over here we have completed about our chapter number 12 का जो बायोटेक्नोलॉजिकल एप्लीकेशन है इन मेडिसिन. ओके, उसके बारे में हमने यहाँ पे कंप्लीट कर दिया है. इन अवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी टॉक रिगार्डिंग द ट्रांसजेनिक एनिमल्स. तब तक आप इसको रिवाइज करते रहिए. Thank you and take care.